Meet the JBL Flip Essential 3 SE. Let us show some cool tips and tricks to get the most out of this speaker. Let's check it out. When you open the box, you'll find the JBL Flip Essential 3 SE speaker and the Quick Start Guide. Before you can vibe with your speaker, you need to connect it via Bluetooth. Start by powering up the speaker by pressing the power on button once. After powering up, the speaker will automatically activate Bluetooth pairing. Now you can find the speaker on your preferred device and connect. In case another device is already connected, press the Bluetooth button to search again. Did you know your JBL Flip Essential 3 SE speaker is IP67 waterproof and dustproof? It's waterproof up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. You can use the easy gestures on your speaker to control the volume, pause, press twice to play the next song, and press 3 times to play the previous song. To reset the speaker to factory settings, simply hold the plus and play button for 2 seconds. Connect multiple JBL Auracast-enabled portable speakers by using the Auracast technology. Make sure all speakers are powered on. Press the Auracast button on the primary speaker, followed by the secondary speakers. Download the JBL Portable app via the QR code in the Quick Start Guide. Connect your speaker to your phone, open the app, and control multiple features. Adjust the EQ settings, activate stereo pairing, and more. Low on battery? No worries. Just plug a USB-C cable into the speaker. Plug it into a power outlet and you'll get a full charge in just 3 hours. The speaker can provide up to 12 hours of playtime, depending on volume level and audio content. JBL Flip Essential 3 SE, the full-featured portable speaker for any adventure.